Okay, boys and girls, our last part of this Rain on the Green Grass project is this part now that goes, hear the raindrops. And then it has 4 beats of silence, and then it says, hear the raindrops. So when we look at it in music, it looks like this. We have 4 quarter notes and then 4 quarter rests, which say shh, 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 shh. And then we have 4 more quarter notes for our words, and then 4 more beats of quarter rests. So when you want to do it all together, it looks like this. Hear the raindrops. Shh, 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 shh. Hear the raindrops. Shh, 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 shh. Now, you know how sometimes rain can sound really peaceful and sometimes it sounds really loud. We talked about that last week with the poem, right? Well, on our 4 rests, that's going to be a time for you to make up your own rhythm pattern. And maybe you want to make peaceful raindrops. Maybe your peaceful raindrops will be snaps. Or maybe there'll be just some gentle taps. Maybe some 2-finger claps. Right? Anything you can do that sounds kind of quiet and peaceful. Maybe you have some blowing wind that'll go like this. Maybe that's what it would do. Ooh, that would be an interesting sound. Whatever kind of peaceful, gentle sounds you can do for peaceful raindrops. But then sometimes, remember, rain can be really, really loud sometimes when it rains really hard. And so maybe you want to make some louder sounds, louder claps. Or maybe patting your legs really hard. Or stomping your feet, which I can't do because I'm on carpet, so it won't make any sound right here. But maybe banging a table. That might work too. Who knows? So we're going to give you those 4 beats of rest to make up your own rhythm pattern. So I'm going to do one first, and I'm going to do some peaceful raindrops because I can't stomp my feet for loud ones. So I'll do peaceful ones first. So let me show you how it's done, and then you can have a turn. Ready? So I'll go first. I'll do it 2 times. Ready? Here we go. Hear the raindrops. Hear the raindrops. Just like that. It's not very complicated. So do you want to take a turn? Do you want to do some peaceful raindrops or some loud raindrops? You decide, okay? But you get 4 counts, and I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 to help you out. All right, ready? I'll say the hear the raindrops. You can say it with me. Here we go. Hear the raindrops. Hear the raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a question. Do you have to have just 4 raindrops? Do you have to just go 1, 2, 3, 4? No, you don't have to. You can have as many raindrops in those 4 beats as you can get, but try to make it a pattern. Don't just go crazy and be like, blah, 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 blah. That's not raindrops. That's just craziness. I don't know. But try to make it sound like drops, all right? Anything you can do that makes it sound like drops. Okay, so now we're going to practice that one more time. And if you did loud ones last time, maybe you want to do quiet ones this time, or maybe you want to stick with the same thing. You decide. You're going to get a chance to do both loud and quiet on the next slide. Okay, ready? Here we go. Hear the raindrops. Hear the raindrops. Did you get it? All right. Well, now you can move on to the next slide and we'll see what we're going to do next.